So hi guys, we are here day 2 SaaStr and it's ending up here. So let's hear from the cloud analogy team that how it went, what is there and what we explored. So starting off with Krishna, so just tell us that how this event went for you.
So SaaStr day 2 was fantastic. We met up with a lot of decision makers here. The food was amazing, and I think people who attended this event were able to network very well. And it's a very good network leveraging platform. So we have a lot of work back when we get back to India and reach out to our connects. And I'm sure we will be coming back next year as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'm moving next to Vishal. So how it went for you?
So this is my first event and day 2 was amazing because I met many clients and there are many potential opportunities we have to identify. So this will be one great positive from our side.
Shreya, so how it went?
Hi, hello everyone. So such an amazing event and everybody from all of the globe we met and we learned a lot of new things and what the market requires and it was just amazing.
So see, we have this SaaStr goodie as well. So it's so cute.
Yes.
So I'm moving on to Nitish now. Nitish, how it went for you?
Hey, hi guys. This day 2 is even more excited than the day 1, and the connections we made yesterday. We goes on a table and discuss more about the business and the common synergies we can have. And that way we found this world is definitely little about the knowledge we have, and the knowledge is spread or the companies are working upon. This is definitely a new learning for me.
So Arun, how it went for you?
So it's been a first time we are doing SaaStr in APAC region, and surprisingly we are having a watermelon with paneer.
I missed that point.
So this was us, Cloud Analogy at day 2 in SaaStr. We all attended it for first time and we had a really great time. So bye bye guys, adios. We will surely meet next time.
Think about is you, late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out, can't make you happy.